Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can level up your athletic skills on Bloxburg outside of your house. So maybe you do have like a gym in your house, but I don't, because I don't really want to have one in my house. So you're just going to drive to this area here where the burger is, and you're just going to turn right, and I actually don't remember where their gym is. I think it's like on this side. Okay, I need to turn around because there's like a fence. Side note, I am the worst driver. I'm just going to go to the left section here, and we're going to go left, and here's the gym. You can level up your athletic skills by running. Okay, it's very funny when I run on this thing. By running, as you can also use this to level up your athletic skills. If you go to skills and go to athletic, it's going to go up, as you can see. There's also a bunch of other things you can do, like this like punching bag and like the skipping rope as well. You can also level it up by using the yoga mat at your house, but I just don't have the space for it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!